Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers flip card widget to your Wix website. Flip cards are a great way to present information in a compact, interactive format, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Flipkart in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the layout is selected, the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can click Add Card to add new cards. Inside each card, you can edit the front title, back title, image, price tag, front text, back text. After that, you can also enable or disable the action button, change the text and links as needed. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the template. In the Appearance tab, you can customize the widget look. For example, you can change the front background, back background, front text, back text, and accent color. In the Style section, you can adjust the border radius and shadow intensity. In Interaction Animation, you can control the flip trigger, flip direction, and animation speed. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Wix site editor. Now add a Embed HTML block, paste your installation code inside it, and click Apply. Finally, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.